In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Clio with Google or Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll have your appointments flowing between Clio and the calendar you use every day, helping you avoid double booking and keep your schedule consistent. First, head to Clio.com. Use a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed into your Clio account associated with your firm. If you manage multiple accounts or environments, confirm you're in the right one before moving on. From the main dashboard, open Settings. In most layouts, you'll find the gear icon on the left sidebar or near your profile menu. Settings is where Clio centralizes integrations and account preferences, so this is the place to connect your calendars. Inside Settings, look for Contact and Calendar Sync and open it. This page is the hub for connecting your calendars and, if you choose, your contacts. A quick note on how Sync works: for supported Google and Microsoft 365 accounts, Clio offers a two-way sync, meaning events created in Clio show up in your external calendar and vice versa. That way, you don't have to maintain the same meeting in two places. If you use Google, stay in the Google Contacts and Calendar section and select the option to sign in with Google. A Google window will appear asking you to choose the account you want to connect and to grant the permissions Clio needs to read and write calendar data. Use your work account, not a personal one, to keep client events separate. During the prompt, you may be asked which calendars to sync. Pick the primary calendar you rely on and confirm. After authorization, keep the browser tab open for a minute to let the initial sync begin. Time zones and reminders from your Google Calendar will carry over, so it's worth confirming your time zone is correct in both Google and Clio. If you're on Microsoft 365, go to the Microsoft 365 Contacts and Calendars area and click Setup Sync. You'll be redirected to sign in to Microsoft and approve the requested access. Some organizations require admin approval. If you see that notice, follow your internal process. As part of the setup, select the calendar you want to connect. Outlook desktop users are covered as long as their mailbox is hosted in Microsoft 365 because the sync runs through the cloud service. Once connected, give the system a few minutes to exchange data. New and updated events should start appearing across both calendars. If you don't see changes, return to the Contact and Calendar Sync page to confirm the connection status and make sure you're using the intended Google or Microsoft account. That's it. You've linked Clio with your Google or Outlook calendar.